Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot set up the recorder now. Please later again on WhatsApp. If you are using any WhatsApp and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to record a voice message on WhatsApp and you might see the error that you are unable to set up the recorder now. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you just have to try to go to your settings app and go to general, go to software update and just try to update your software. Once I've updated software, just simply go back from here and just go to apps section. In apps, just look for WhatsApp here. So once you find WhatsApp, just select this and you just have to look for microphone access of your WhatsApp here. Or you have to make sure that your WhatsApp app have your microphone access. Or you can also try to go to back, go to privacy and security. Just look for microphone here and here just make sure that it's have been enabled for your WhatsApp. So once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go to App Store and just go for search and simply search for WhatsApp and you just have to try to update your app and once you have updated your WhatsApp app, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, just quickly press and release your volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go to your settings app here, go to general, go to iPhone storage, just look for WhatsApp app here and you just have to try to offload your app or you can also try to delete apps. So in case of offloading or deleting, if there will be any bug or any malware with your WhatsApp app, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.